Good afternoon. Today we'll be unpacking some interesting packages from AliExpress. Let's start with the first one, the biggest one. Let me say right off the bat that this is for RADA 2017 and up. But in principle this technology can be equipped with a front camera. Two interesting boxes from China. We'll see what's inside. The first one. Laces, wiring. Another cord, a wire. And a front view camera. Second box. This is where we have the wiring. Wired. 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 The case is metal. Here is the power plug, front camera, rear camera and video output. So we connect the OEM camera here and the Chinese front camera here. This will be the output to the stereo directly here. How it works is when you put it in reverse you will have the rear camera on just like before. After shifting to D, you will have the front camera on for 10 seconds. I'll show you all that later. There's also the option to connect a push button. This button right here. You pressed the button. The front camera is permanently activated. Drive off-road, through the woods, park where it's tight, curbs are high. That's a very interesting position. I'll tell you right off the bat, I ordered the original button. Key. Here it is from Pickle. This is an original Toyota key. On Strada 2017 and up. Blue light. Cameras have been installed. We'll see how this whole thing looks now. And you can tell it looks factory made. What about the rear camera? The rear camera is native. That's what we're hooked up to. Nothing new here. Regarding the installation, everything is put back in its original place. The data panel is completely removable. The chamber is being laid. It snaps back on. It's not that complicated. The wiring was run along this edge. Put a plug in there. I'll show you now. I'll try at least. Put it in the plug here. Here she comes. You take it off with a rubber band, make a hole, stuff it into the corrugation. It all comes out airtight. Let's see now how it works. Engaging reverse gear. Let's go back. Nothing's changed. It's just the way it is. The quality hasn't gone down. Everything's the same. Engaging forward gear. The forward-facing camera is activated. We parked the car. You can also use the key to force activation of the forward camera. Push button activation. As we can see, it's a fisheye camera. 170 degrees overview. At first, it was unfamiliar. I'm using the license plate. There it is, its black ends. It doesn't show well in the sun. So if it goes past the license plate, I fit in. It's okay. So here we see the pole. That's where we have him standing. So guys, subscribe to the channel. Further tell you how to change and light bulbs in the cabin to LED, because the native they are basically useless, with them you cannot see anything. I have LEDs everywhere. I'll tell you how to put them up so you don't break anything, damage anything and so on. Where which model of diodes is located. To purchase in advance. All of them. Please subscribe, please like, please like. Let's pump up our Toyota Prado together. See you later.